Hello, welcome to the 8th WordPress training series video brought to you by the Inventor's Velocity. In this video, I'm going to show users that have the older WordPress how to use Gutenberg or how to install Gutenberg without updating your WordPress core. This is important for small business owners that are concerned about breaking their theme or other functionality when updating the WordPress core and might want to do it at a later time, but want to give Gutenberg a try. In this video, I will show you how to install the plugin so that you can sample Gutenberg and get all the great aspects of building a page or post within Gutenberg without updating the WordPress core. This video, again, is brought to you by Namecheap.com, where you can get great deals on domains if you're looking for one. They also have hosting, SSLs, VPNs, and other great web services that you're going to want to take a look at. Again, Namecheap.com. I have the link below that will help you out. So let's begin with this video on how to check out Gutenberg. To try out the Gutenberg editing tool without updating your WordPress core, start by logging into the dashboard. From here, select the Plugins tab on the left side navigation panel. You will see the list of existing plugins on your website. Click the Add New Plugin button at the top of the page. Here is the archive of all the plugins to install in WordPress. You can search for the Gutenberg plugin, but currently it can be found on the featured page. After finding the plugin, click Install Now. Next, click Activate. The Gutenberg plugin is installed and active. You can create or edit a post or page to see the Gutenberg blocks in action. I am going to create a new post from the Post tab. As you can see, Gutenberg is installed and ready to use. Check out WordPress training videos 2 and 3. How to create a page in WordPress with Gutenberg and how to create a post in WordPress with Gutenberg. These videos will help teach you how to actually use Gutenberg. It really is a fun and easy blogging tool. If you want to go back to the old editor, you can deactivate the Gutenberg plugin. Go to the Plugins tab. Find the Gutenberg plugin and click Deactivate. Just like that, you are back to the old page building format. Thanks for watching. The Inventor's Velocity. WordPress, WooCommerce, SEO, expertise and resources.